In this video, I'm going to show you how to use little pieces of fabric. In this case, I used bougainvillea flowers to extract the pigments and obtain these beautiful colors. So these pieces have flowers in different colors. You can see them pink, fuchsia, salmon, light pink, orange, so you can extract a lot of colors and pigments and then dye your own pieces of fabric and use them in your journal. This over here was with ostrich plant, so stay in this video and I can explain to you a little bit more about giving this cover a little bit more of details. Thanks for coming again, and I am Maria and welcome to my channel. Let's start. Welcome to this space, which is a space for creativity and self-discovery. Probably you remember this soft cover that I made for my angel magazines because I wanted to keep them all together. And this is the cover I ended making for this journal. But I had the idea of giving her a little bit more of detail. Probably I want to cover these letters here. And lately I was working with fabric and natural pigments from plants. So I'm going to show you this beautiful pink is an extract from bougainvillea flowers, and this is the result. It's really beautiful. I extract them from flowers and it has different tones and degradations and ways to dye the fabric. Look at that over there. This is really nice. So I want to incorporate some of these little fabrics in this cover. Also, this is bougainvillea flowers. These are those bougainvilleas, and these are mahogany trees. You can see how the pigment of a plant stains the fabric. This one, and here I have one made out of ostrich plant. So you can see that tiny bit of purple mixed with a little bit of green and brown. Some of them I added baking soda and you can see that they were stiff, and other ones just water or alcohol to extract the pigment. So probably let me know in the comments down below if you want a video about the extraction and the procedure to obtain the pigments and to dye the fabric. I'll be more than happy to upload it for you. So I have my cover, and I was thinking to place one of the most beautiful ones in this bunch of little fabrics. Also, I have these amazing stickers, and one says love, forever, cherish, hope. So I wanted to add one of this probably on top of the fabric. So let's see. This is a door or something else. I don't think this I have enough space for that, but definitely this is going to go in here. So what I'm gonna do is choose the one of the ones I like the most, and also that has the perfect size for this little space. I want this distress threads all around, even if I can make them more apparent. I love them. This is not too pink. I want probably this one. This is super pink. You can see here. And yeah, I love this one. So I guess I'm gonna go with this one just in that corner. I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm going to glue one of the stickers here on top of it. So yeah, so I'm placing here a little pen so I don't have the reflection from the camera. This is glossy. All right, so that's the one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna choose, and I'm gonna have this love. This is very sticky. I hope we don't need too much glue on top of the sticker, but yes, I'm gonna place glue on top of the fabric, on the back of the fabric. I want it to be really nice because I need it like as a background, and I want the pink to come out. is perfect. And let me see, I don't want this corner to be down there. Yeah, all right. And I don't know about this hope. I want this to be shown, so this can go probably here or here. I don't think there, but yes, I'm gonna put it right here. And that is the difference now between the cover that I had previously and the cover that I have now. So I'm gonna keep embellishing this, like every time that I think or I come out with a new idea. And all these new ideas are super fun and make your covers, especially your covers, amazing, because I strongly believe that the covers of your journals or the cards of a cover of a book, they accept a lot of elements. So here I have a leaf, then I added divine mission, then this was a gem, like a brush, and I cut it in half and I converted into wings. Of course, she's a model, and then I add this as a detail from the dress, and now I'm adding hope and this little fabric there. Regarding this color, I can also go with another piece of that on top, so we can have like focal point here and then coming this way. This would be nice, like to have it under that, but that is ready. So probably, what about a tiny piece of this one? Let me just cut. And if you want to see the process, I have it in a previous video. So I'm going to link it here in this little corner. I'm going to always like link previous videos so you can see the making of this journal. Yeah, I'm going to put it there because I just want to remember the amazing time I had staining all these little pieces of fabric. And of course, I love that coming out. So this is gonna be really fast. And if I go here and I can just lift the leaf, I don't want it to break it because it's a dry leaf, natural leaf. And I think that this is enough for the cover. I'm really in love because I incorporated a lot of nature and natural elements in this cover. So let me know in the comments down below, as I said before, if you want the process to obtain this beautiful fabric, like with a lot of color. So that's my journal, and one of these days I'm gonna start working on it, telling you about the stories that are inside here and the amazing things that were written all the way back in 2011. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the button down below and leave me a comment. And also, if you consider that this is a nice video, an inspirational video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you soon, and bye friends. Bye, take care.